Mamito, whatever you have said about Babu Owino, go and tell it to your dad. Oh, by the way, it seems like you don't have a present father because of your morals. You may be having what is called a stepfather. Go tell your stepfather.
Mamito, wachana na Babu. Wachana na Babu Owino kabisa. Huyo ni roho yetu bwana. Huyo hata akisema leo anafunza comrades. Wacha afunze. Haikuhusu. Wewe tu ni kuamka na kuongea vitu hata hujui unaongea nini. Wachana na Babu Owino kabisa. In fact, hizo takataka zako comments pelekea Ruto. Wachana na Babu akae. Bana hata you're not funny by the way. Tu watu na kuentertain juu wetu ni Mkenya. Content zako ni za 1994. Wachana na Babu Owino bwana.
Sasa Mamito Eunice,
yes,
ameonekana kukerwa sana na maswala. This was 4 hours ago as per the shooting of this video. She just has a problem with Babu Owino kufundisha watoto hesabati. And she's like, your JD haifai kusema, JD yako inafaa kupatiana kitu tofauti.
Times minus 5 over 2 plus 2 minus 4 is 2 plus 4, which is 6. Squared is 6 times 6. Then they square it. Minus 5 times minus 5 is 25. Over 2 times 2 is 4. I just changed this 2.5 into fraction just to ease my work.
Babu is going out of his way kufundisha watu. See, it's from his heart. He's doing it from his heart. So sijui inaumiza Mamito wapi. Sijui sielewi.
Mamito, whatever you have said about Babu Owino, go and tell it to your dad. Oh, by the way, it seems like you don't have a present father because of your morals. You may be having what is called a stepfather. Go tell your stepfather. You know why? Because, first of all, there is nowhere in the Constitution that says it is the prerogative of Babu Owino. This is the Constitution, this one. Of Babu Owino to pay teachers in their platforms to teach what Babu is doing. We are very sorry. By the way, Mamito, listen to this. You don't embody that somebody who can give explanations or go-aheads about academia. Please, stick to Churchill. Oh, by the way, don't even stick to Churchill because there are other people who are coming out. So, Mamito. Oh, she's called Mamito? Bebito. Listen to me. You are not... again, guza Babu tena. We are coming with things. Tutachimba. Nonsense. Ningekuita unaona kidogo itoke wadi ingine nikakumbuka. Nikasema hakuna haja. Kuna haja wewe tuko na wewe mpaka wewe tunataka kudeal na wewe until the end. Sahi, I want to be part of that journey. Nonsense. Manyinyo.
Guys, Babu anapendwa. Alisema yeye ni babu na jawabu. Saizi inaonekana yeye ni babu na bawabu. Akona walinzi wake. Babu Owino, hebu endelea kufunza watoto wewe. You are good. I think hata mimi mwenyewe niliangalia hizo coordinate jana ukisema sijui turn sin 69. Hiyo mambo ilikuwa mzuri. From I don't know this point to that point, the base of the cliff. Nilikusikiza nikasema unanikumbusha mbali. Lakini mimi sikupata hesabu A. Robert Alai peke yake ni anasema alipata A lakini akapata E kwa chemistry. Anyway, nisingilie watu, mimi nilikuja tu kuleta uhondo hapa.
Babu Owino, respect our teachers. Babu Owino, stop misleading our students. You are using pre-millennium formulae. You are using old methodologies. Many things have changed as the syllabus is reviewed periodically, okay? So Babu Owino, you cannot be Mr. Know-it-all. You don't have a teaching license. Hauna TSC number. Toka hapo, okay? Don't use our innocent students to grow your social media platforms, including but not limited to TikTok, Facebook, X, and Instagram. You are just a democratically elected representative. Work for the people of Embakasi, okay? Pass a legislation advocating for employment of more teachers, and not just assuming to be a teacher. You cannot be a teacher. Hata usome aje uwe na ngapi. Si wewe uko tu na degree. Hiyo doctorate yako ni honorary. Hauna doctorate hata kwa law, bado uko na bachelor's degree. Please go slowly. We si mwerevu sana. Watu wamesoma. Si ulikuwa nasema angle Q ni angle PQR, not angle Q. Stop misleading our students at this critical hour, okay? Stop bringing confusion. Heshimu walimu. Chora boundaries. The fact that you are earning more than a teacher does not make you any smarter, okay? We have astute teachers. Teachers who have made us. Hata we mwalimu ndio amekumake. But you cannot just go to a school and discharge that mandate. You should just motivate them and buy them some lunch during exams. Review your job description, okay? And return to your respective niche. This matter must be treated with urgency. It's not political. But Babu, respect teachers. It takes patience to be a teacher. Respect those people. Those people are far more learned than you are. You just have a bachelor's degree in law. You are a content creator, Babu Owino. You are a content creator.
Guys, please help me find my father and my stepdad, because apparently if you're raised by a single mom, you're not supposed to have opinions. Help me find my daddy.
Being raised by a single mom has made me somehow insecure, especially in relationships, right? Because, you know, when I am dating and we're doing it with that guy, and I'm doing 7 ways to satisfy somewhere, and then he's like, who is your dad? I'm like, I don't know. Why are you asking me that right now? And he called me daddy. Why? What do you know that I don't know? Why should I call you daddy right now? I've never met him. Who is he? Do you know him? I heard maybe he's called Matthew. You know anyone called Matthew? But you are 30, so you can't be my daddy. That is why I don't date older guys. You're gonna be like, hey, wewe.
Hey, wacha niangalie kitu. Kwa hivyo unasema Mamito, you are not understanding why she's taking Panadol for someone's headache.
Yes.
Haya. So, you know what? Do you know what the role of an MP in Kenya is?
Yeah.
Advocating for and overseeing the enforcement of liquor license laws, rather than directly issuing licenses themselves. Alafu, kazi yao ina include participate in legislative processes, raising public awareness, and engaging with county governments and the public to address issues like illicit brews, the location of bars, and the enforcement of drinking age and marketing regulations. MPs can also champion amendments to existing laws such as the Alcoholic Drink Control Act to strengthen control and regulation. Haya, sasa hayuko mbali sana Mamito, akisema kwamba that is part of his JD. However, I honestly don't think this is something that should pain Mamito, because he has not infringed on anybody's right.
Yeah. But you know, because Babu is very vocal, anaonekana, he stands out.
Sasa okay.
So it stands out. So watu wana focus too much on him, ndio aweze kusambaza na wenzake, MPs wenzake.
Sasa Mamito ni MP?
No, as in Mamito anatoa frustration zake, ndio ifikie Babu Owino, ndio aweze kunini kwa parliament, kuiongelea story ya fake alcohol and
ume overthink his story, by the way. You're such a deep thinker. So you're saying Mamito is using Babu, ametype kitu imfikie Babu Owino, Babu Owino to do something about the illicit brews. But sasa hayafanywi hivi. Ini ile unajaribu ambaye hayombu hivi. Sasa ndio hayafanywi hivi. Just go straight to the point. Kwa sababu yeye akiamua kwamba anafundisha watoto hisabati, ni kwa hiari yake ile.
Yeye anatumia hiyo opportunity ndo iweze kufikia babu haraka.
Ndo nasema
I know what you're saying.
Then it's the wrong landing point, because unaona ile point yake ya illicit liquor na nini na nini na nini, hii Mamito anajaribu kuraise, itapigwa chini. Because anything that you want, just be straightforward. Na useme, I think babu, you should be focusing on this, and then leave out hiyo mambo ya you kujua bodmas, sijui bomas, sijui nini.
You see, anataka kitu italeta like some type of controversy.
Okay.
No stick. Unajua kuja direct itakuwa boring, alafu ipotee.
Basi hata pia itasaidia.
But at least the message will have reached the intended person.
Who?
Babu.
Naye ni kama nyini wa. Are you people visitors in this Jerusalem?
I know
babu kwanza kesho ndio mtamuona hapo na hiyo whiteboard yake.
Si ndio?
Ana flip. Na history yenye Mamito ameongelea. He will not even address it.
He will eventually. But see
maybe
that is after, maybe hata next year.
Akitaka kuomba kura.
Maybe hata next year.
Ataichukua. Na unaona hii kitu hii ya kufundisha watoto hisabati. It's making babu very popular with the parents. So this is also another card of his. Kuweza kujigainia nini popularity politically. It has nothing to do with him. I don't know wanting to help the kids. Don't be deceived. However, if the man has volunteered his time and his energy to teach people who will not be teachable, si mumwache. Ndio, mwacheni. Mimi hata sioni kama hapo
inakuhusu. Maybe anafunza vizuri sana.